Hello everyone, today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 1748, sum of unique elements. It is an easy level problem on the LeetCode and it is one of the very easiest question. So let's look at the problem statement. You are given an integer array nums. The unique elements of an array are the elements that appear exactly once in the array. Return the sum of all unique elements of num. So basically, we have given an array of nums and this is an interesting array. So what this array is about? We need to find out the elements which has the frequency of 1. Like as you can see here in this array, 1 and 3 has the frequency of 1. We need to find out the sum of the elements which has the frequency of 1. So 1 and 3 has the frequency of 1. So its sum is 4. 2 has the 2 frequencies, so we will not count it. And another example, there is only 1 in the array. So there is not a single element which has the 1 frequency. In the third example, all the elements have the frequency of 1. So we will take the sum of all the elements. And it is 15. So what we need to do is, we will need to find out the first one frequency of the from the array and calculate its sum. So what our approach can be? We will try to create a hash map, and on the left side we will store the digit, and on the right side we will calculate its frequency. Okay, so now we will traverse. First we have traversed the array and find out the frequency of each and every element, and after frequency table is created, we will traverse through the map hash map we have created and find out which element is appearing of at first frequency. We will take that first element and calculate its sum. So this is what we're gonna do. Let's try to solve this. Let's begin. First we will traverse through the array. So the frequency table is created. What is gonna do it? If the element appeared, if it is not present on the frequency table, it will be added on the left side. If that number appears once more, the same number, it will just increment its frequency count. If that number is not present, it will first add. If that number repeats again, it just increases the frequency count of that number. First, we have traversed through the vector nums. Now we will traverse through the map frequency 1. So I have traversed through the frequency map, and what we will do is need to calculate sum now. So I just need to create a sum variable and assign the num 0. Now we need to find which element has the frequency equals to 1. If we found that element, we need to do the sum of that. So this is what we're gonna do, and at the end we'll simply return sum. So as you can see, the test cases has been passed. Now let's click on submit. So you can see all the test cases has been passed and our solution has been accepted. That's it from my side. Thank you.